How to make a paper football. Step number 1, fold that paper hot dog bun style. I like to line up the corner, pinchy pinchy, and lay it down, fold it down like that. Step number 2, open it back up. Step number 3, cut that fold right up the middle and save one half for later. Fold this half in half, hot dog bun style. Line up the corners, pinchy pinchy. Now for the shark fin, you're gonna take one of these corners. I'm gonna take this one because I'm right-handed, and I'm gonna bring this corner down, and I'm gonna line it up right along that edge of the paper. And so I have a triangle, or a shark fin. Then I'm gonna take this part of the bottom of the fin so that I'm folding it right along the edge of that bottom of the fin. Okay. I'll know what's right because all I have is a triangle. If I go too far with it, that's not part of a triangle. So I'm gonna back it up. I'm gonna go right along that edge. And I'm gonna hold it like this so I'm sure that I'm just folding it right on that edge, right? And then I've got a diagonal edge here. I'm gonna use that diagonal edge and do the same thing. I'm gonna pick up that triangle and I'm gonna fold it right along that diagonal edge. And then I want this end to line up straight up and down. It's okay if it hangs over the edge a little bit right there, but see, it's still straight. Okay. Now I'm gonna repeat. I'm gonna take the shark fin, and again, right along the bottom of that triangle, I'm gonna fold it down, so now it's lined up right along that edge there. And then there's that diagonal again. I'm gonna fold this triangle right along that diagonal. Down. And now it's parallel again. And then there's the bottom edge. Pick up the triangle and fold it right along the bottom edge there. Straight down. So it's lined up. This part gets a little bumpy, and that's okay. I'm just gonna push that under. I just need that like that. And then again, there's a diagonal. So I'm going to take the triangle and fold it along the diagonal. Oh, it's a little bit crooked, so I'm just gonna bend it a little bit till it's, there we go, that's better. Okay, and that's as far as I can go. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this square or rectangular shape here, and I'm gonna put it in the fin, in the triangle. But it's too big, it doesn't fit. So what I need to do is take this square and turn it into a twin triangle. See, those two are about the same size. So again, what did I do? I took the square, that corner, up, and I know it matches. If I do it the other way, like this, that is not gonna fit inside of there, right? So think of it as a mirror, and I want these two to look the same. So I'm gonna take this corner, make a twin, all right? Now we've got a thick twin and a thin twin. I'm gonna take the thin twin and put it inside the thick one. So I'm gonna take this tip here, and there's a pocket in the thick twin right there. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna slip it in that triangle there, and then I'm gonna push it all the way in. I'm gonna stuff it in there all the way up until it is inside, and now I've got my football. Now put my name on it so they know that's mine. Make sure you do the same. Stand it up like this. make it, kick it.